beamer is in the bike wash today. And these are a couple of things that you want to do when you take your bike to the shop. You want to put some plastic bags over your grips to stop the water getting inside, which makes them slippy. And then also you want to put something inside your exhaust to stop the water travelling down inside, especially if you've got no baffler, waffler, whatever it is you call it on there. Because as soon as you get water down there, you'll have problems with your oxygen mix. And then it's got to kick it out. Well, you don't want soap down there and everything. So the point is, you want to try not to spray the bike too hard either, especially on the chain. But sometimes it's difficult to get that message across when you're dealing with a country who speaks a different language. And here in Cambodia, the language is Khmer, and I haven't quite mastered the art of speaking in the language and asking them to not apply so much pressure on the chain, because it gets rid of all the grease. So ideally, I'm going to set up a system to grease or oil my chain after I get it washed. And what else is it I want to concentrate on? Yeah, under the seat, not to spray under the seat, and under the storage under the rear seat as well. And that's about it. So the wash here is going to take about 15 minutes, and I think it cost me a couple of dollars, maybe $3, which is a bargain.